me over a bit. Good morning. Laying again. Last day today. We're out of this gate today, like I said yesterday. So we have, gets nada done it. What is it here? A metre wide here. Up to Tom. 4 flags. Just cuts down each side. And then we've got manhole here and a manhole up there. Somewhere up there. Little one. 2 little ones and 1 ramp back. So we're just putting recess manholes in. We're getting them in the morning. I was just saying today, like, I'm not spending the money this week. Got everything here. But now we need 10 tubs, maybe more, of joint it, which is 45, 50 quid a pop. And then we're gonna need as recess manholes, which are a fair few quid out there. So we are gonna spend some tomorrow. Last day, I think, oh yes, yes, no. So down here, this sticks out a bit. So there's line is coming, I don't know where Tom's laid. There's lines coming over here. I think that we're gonna get that flag and then it's gonna return back there. But till we get his angle, we can't put that one in. So we're gonna start with that little one and then just work his way all the way down. Look at this. Tom's forgotten his boots. Not that he had any anyway, because I've got no toes in or out, but he's forgotten his boots. But that now is looking whole. Once that shed goes downside the house where Tom's working, this is going to feel big. But when you stand here, step outside the utility room, such a sun trap here. I've told you before how hot it is here. It's just going to feel ace. In this corner here makes you look back and see what it's like, and then you're just like, yeah, you know, when you like get bored at job a little bit, you look back and you think, yep, we're here. Right, we're just going to lift these now. Down here already. It's only 11. It's flown in this morning. I think we were across there, were we? Somewhere like that. Don't know. But yeah, cuts are going in nicely. Hopefully all them cuts down there tomorrow will go in just as good. Just as easy, should I say. But yeah, just flying in. That ends there, it's tapped in. All sealed up. And just get lifting these bad boys. Just to get smashed it already. Look at that, Tom's flying now. Got 3 metres from here up to there, done. So we're doing cuts as we go down here, like I say. Little manhole there, little manhole here, but I'm struggling to get 300s. We'll see what we can do. We even have to wait a week or whatever, we'll see. Yeah, couple of hours, if that. Let's get a load of big flags down this area. Get it down. But yeah, flying his lad, innit? So I got this lid foot mixer. People keep commenting on my live saying, "Oh, I've just bought one for you," because you've got one. Don't know how much I rate it, if I'm honest with you. You get splattered whilst mixing. I've said this before the other day, I think. And it's like you get, you're throwing your mix on, it's just going, but it doesn't splat the other car next door whilst it's mixing, if you like, once you put the lid on. So what I've been doing is I've been stopping it and then like putting most of the mix in and then stopping it, throwing some sand in, loads and loads of water in it, put the lid on, let it mix. Does that wreck the motor because it's starting heavy, you know, rather than it constantly just going and going and going? Does that wreck the motor? I'll show you now how I do it. I'll show you now. Still not let out. Show you. Yeah. Just 1 1/4 packs left. That'll be tomorrow with cuts. 3 ton of stone round there, that'll be for astroturf, and a wee bit of cement. So I'll be coming empty on front, which is always a good sign. Grabs are coming tomorrow for that over there, MLJ again. But yeah, see you in the morning, guys. Busy Friday, job and knock. Work as fast as you can and go home. Love it. See you in the morning.